we're really happy to be here at Neath College for their Student Awards.
We are the 19th Annual Awards, and this is something which the students should be really proud of, something which certainly wasn't around when I was in college back in the day.
It would have been incredible to be celebrated like this, and there's such hard workers to achieve these awards, which is incredible. I mean, Lee couldn't even make it through college.
We didn't even have cameras back in the day.
So good luck to everybody, and thank you for asking us to be here.
Yeah.
Now, the annual awards are something that is one of the biggest calendar events for this group of colleges, and we publish things after A-level results, GCSE results and vocational results, but this is where we celebrate the best of the best. So these are people who have performed exceptionally well in vocational and academic studies, and those people who have got past some huge barriers to achieve some amazing results. So this is the night for us that we all love. This is why we do the job that we do.
My son diagnosed with leukemia in 2016. He spent lots of time on the hospital, 3.5 years. It was a really miserable time for us, for all of us. And then I decided to be a nurse. And I didn't have a GCSE on here because English is my third language. I'm now 42 years old, and with 2 children, I just decided and started choose the college and then carry on. And I came here, and I have been accepted Swansea University as a nurse. So I recently started. I'm very happy to be here.
Through these hard times, when I had cancer, my mom had to stop doing education for nurse because she had to support me. But after many years of that, she continued and started it again, and she succeeded, and I'm very proud of her.
My mom is really beautiful. He always helped me cook eggs.